This is Mamutasan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and this is our front view and this is our top view. So first of all, I listed drawing from the front view. In the front view, I'll draw this rectangle and this rectangle has a total dimension of 275 by 50 unit. And from that, after drawing this rectangle, I'll draw another rectangle here, and this rectangle will have a dimension of as you can see, the total distance here to here is 50 unit, and this distance is each have 5 unit distance. So this rectangle, square rectangle, has a dimension of 50 minus 5 minus 5, so it will have a dimension of 40 unit. Okay, after drawing it this a square shape rectangle, then I will draw a center line along the diagonal, and after drawing this diagonal line, I'll draw two offset line. And as the total distance here, we can see this offset line total distance is 5 unit. So from the diagonal line, total two offset line will have each have a distance of 2.5 unit. Okay, after that has been done, we can see we have some fillets here and here. Okay, so all the fillets has a radius of 2 units, so we'll give all the fillets a radius of 2 units. And we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have 6 similar shape. So after completing one of the shape, I'll use the linear sketch pattern to linearly sketch all the shape. So from here to here, the distance is 45 units, so every linear sketch pattern has a distance of 45 unit. So first of all, I'm selecting the front plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Then I'm going to select the corner rectangle from here and drawing a corner rectangle, and this corner rectangle has a dimension of 50 by 275 unit. Okay, our this corner rectangle has been drawn. Now zoom it here and draw another corner rectangle, and this corner rectangle has a dimension of 50 minus 5 by minus 5 units, so it is 40 unit. In the other side also have same dimension, 50 minus 5 minus 5 units, so it will also have a 40 unit dimension. Now select this one dimension tool. As we have seen, from this side to this side it has a distance of 5 units, so dimension it to distance of 5 unit. And in the lower portion, okay, in our case, if we go back here in this lower portion, we can see this lower portion also have a dimension of 5 unit distance, each have dimension of 5 unit distance. Okay, so I'm selecting expand dimension tools again and select this point and this line, and the distance is 5 unit also, so dimension it to 5 unit. So this portion has been done. Now select the center rectangle to draw a diagonal line. So I'm selecting the center rectangle, drawing a diagonal line. Now it's time for offsetting this. So selecting the offsetting this, we need to offset this line, and the total offset is 5 units. So half offset will be 5 divided by 2, so it will have a dimension of 2.5 unit. Make sure to check the bidirectional line here. Now press OK. Now select the trim entities. So I'm selecting the trim entities tool and trim the lines that we don't need. So trimming the lines that we don't need. So all the line has been trimmed, and now select the offset entities, and we can see, now select the fillet entities. We have a fillet of 2 units each, so I'm selecting the fillet of 2 unit and select all the corners of the triangles. So also select the lower triangle corners, so all the corner has been selected. Now press OK. So our fillet has been done. Now it's time for our linear sketch pattern. For that, I'm going to select the linear sketch pattern tool from here, and we are going to linear sketch along the axis, and we have a distance of each from 40 plus 5 unit, the gap between them, so it will 45 unit, and we have a total linear sketch number of 6 unit. And entity to this pattern, we want to pattern this triangle, and we want to pattern this triangle. Okay, all the pattern has been selected. Now press OK. So our linear sketch pattern has been done. Okay, if we look back to our sketch, we can see we have a extrude boss of 6 units, so we are going to give a extrude boss of 6 unit here. Okay, so I am going to isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, it to 6 unit, so dimension it to 6 unit. Now press OK. So our 6 unit extrude boss portion has been done. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.